Yo, what's up, YouTube? Man, how y'all been, man? We back again with a video, man. Y'all ain't seen me in a minute, huh? Rocking a new style, you feel me? Got a new cut and all that. Last time y'all see me, you feel me? Had on that hoodie, long ass hair and shit, man. I'm gonna get back on my shit, man. But yeah, man, today coming at y'all with a 10 facts about me, man. I'm gonna give y'all 10 facts so y'all can get to know me a little, man. But first, before anything, before you do anything, bro, hit that like button right now. Hit the like button, subscribe, because when this video hit 15 likes, I'm uploading the next video. I already got the videos done and shit. I'm just recording them, pre-recording them, and when I get the likes, I'm gonna upload the next video. You feel me? So yeah, let's just get right into it, man. Number one. 15 years old, man. 1-5, man. 15 years old, man. I just turned 15 back in April, man. Yes, man. April 20th. That's number two. My birthday is on 420, man. That's something a lot of people don't know. My birthday on 420. I don't really smoke or nothing like that, but you know, hey, birthday on 420. It's on 420, you know, maybe in the future something might happen. So yeah, man, that was number 1 and 2 right there. Knocked them out quick. Number 3, I was born and raised in Louisiana, man. I'm from Bossier City, Louisiana. I hate when motherfuckers think everybody from Louisiana talk like they from New Orleans. No, nigga, we don't. Everybody don't talk the same. Some people country, some people fucking try to talk like they from other places. Man, we all got different slang around here. Just New Orleans got their own, and that's what most of y'all motherfuckers know. Alright? Number 4, I got one tattoo right here on my arm. Got my grandmother's name. I got that on my birthday. Down here, the law is you can get a tattoo at the age of 15 with the consent of your parent. So I was telling my mom I had been wanting my grandma's name tattooed on me. Rest in peace, her. Got her name on my birthday, man. It's gonna stay right there. I want this to stick with me. I'll never forget her. I'm going back soon for another tattoo. Y'all gonna see that later. I might vlog that or something, you feel me? But yeah, that's number 3. Number 4, man. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4, man. We already about halfway into this, man. Number 4. I am like serious when it comes to fucking Xbox and shit, man. Right now, y'all looking at, man, I got the controller and everything, little setup together. I just actually put this setup together yesterday. Like, spent the whole day fucking getting shit together and put this whole little setup together yesterday. It's working out pretty good for me so far. I mean, ain't really had no problems with it. It's kind of small, that's the only thing, but you know, so far it's working out pretty good for me, man, for the little space I got. I ain't gonna complain, man. I just need to give me, you know, give me a little chair. Might probably move up to another desk or something. But we straight for now. So yeah, that's number 4, man. Number 5, man, we already into it. Number 5, man. I'm not a LeBron fan, man. I hate LeBron. Don't come in my comments talking about LeBron and the Cavs and shit, man. Money Mike, man. 6-ring Mike, man. Money Mike, man. 6-ring Mike, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings, man. Fuck LeBron. Fuck Curry. Fuck all them niggas, man. We ain't fucking with them niggas, man. Fuck that. 6-ring Mike, man. So, I'm a Mike fan, Jordan fan. You feel me? So, yeah. Number 6. Man. Ray fucking Lewis is the rawest nigga to ever play behind a football. Period. That's number 6. I fucks with Ray Lewis. That's my role model, man. My role model is Ray Lewis, man. That's fact 6, man. My role model is Ray Lewis. Fact 7. Fact 7. I'm a huge Brian O'Connor fan, man. Not even really. I love Fast and Furious, man. All the Fast and Furiouses from 1 through fucking 7 and 8 coming out. I can't fucking wait to go see 8, man. When 8 come out, I'm going to see it in 3D and all that shit, man. But I love Brian O'Connor, man. You got to go to the Brian O'Connor School of Driving, man. It's just, it's mandatory. You gotta do it. If you don't do it, then you're not living. You feel me? You can't drive. Number 8. Number 8, man. I can cook, man. I can really fucking cook. Cook good too, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Y'all like probably ain't gonna. You never know. You request me to cook something. You feel me? You can get a video on how to whip up something. I'll whip up something in the kitchen, you know. I do that. So, you know, you request that in the comments, man. Another thing, what y'all want to see, man? Put it in the comments. I can't even really think of no more facts, man. But yeah, man. The video got shut off early. This is 8 facts about me. And like that video. Subscribe. Go watch my last video. Like that video. Subscribe again. And, man, come back, man. To get the notifications on when I post the videos, turn the notifications on, man. Just turn the fucking notifications on. But till then, man, I'm out. I'm gonna catch y'all later.